No. Where do you see that? Oh my God. Oh, okay. I'm beyond. I am beyond. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and it's right down there. And Chloe has an ear infection, so she is just relaxing. She's been sick for a few days, a lot of dizziness. I suspected it might be, and it is, but she is on the mend and on an antibiotic. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have a Jeffree Star Mystery Box, and I know you've probably seen others unboxed, but I might get something different. Who knows what I'm going to get in here? I have seen two palettes, one palette per box, but I've seen two different ones. So both I liked and didn't have, so I was pretty excited at the prospect of getting one of those two. Could get something totally different though. Now, we are going to do first reactions with this. So this box I'm just now opening. I have no idea what's in here. Let's find out together. Look at that paper. So pretty. All right, so with these, there were 3 different mini mirrors. You could pick which one you wanted. And then the rest of it is a mystery. So here is, it's not much of a sneak peek, I know. But the mirror I chose was the little mini hatchet one. Y'all know I love horror, so of course I'm going to choose the hatchet. But also, look at how pretty that is. I just love the colors, the way that kind of goes back and forth. The mirror will be on right on here. So as you can see, it is just a mini mirror, but super cute. I can already see the palette I got, and I'm so excited. So first is one of the skin frosts, and this is in Guilty Nectar. And I don't have any of Jeffree's skin frosts, so super excited. Look at that. In the mystery boxes I've gotten between both this and the Beautylish one, I've never gotten one of the skin frosts. No. Where do you see this? I haven't seen anybody open up this. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh, I'm in love with this. All right, little swipe-a-doodle. There is like a little bit of pink in there. Oh, get out. I don't know if you guys can see the pink on there, but oh my God. Oh, okay, I'm beyond. I am beyond. If all of these lip colors are awful for me, I'm going to be fine, because there's going to be a lot of lip stuff in there. I did see that from a lot of people, but like, I'm beyond excited. All right, let's get on to all the lippies, and then you'll see my palette. All right, first we have the Supreme Gloss in Top Shelf. Right. Now, I saw some people get like a lot of colors that I'm like, ooh, I really like. I saw other people get a lot of colors that I'm like, we'll see. Because sometimes you also have to work it out. Sometimes you need to blend it. Sometimes just kind of putting a little bit like, all right, so you see, that's like dark, right? And you're like, no, Tracy, that's not for you. Okay. And usually I would be like, you're right, that's not for me. But first of all, it smells like chocolate. All right, so all right. So yes, it is dark. However, you can kind of smudge that out. All right. So that's what I would do. I would put it on my hand and then smudge it on my lips. I wouldn't put it directly on my lips. That way I could kind of get the right tone. And you can also mix it. So this is a gloss. So you can mix this with another gloss. You can mix it with a liquid lip color. Like, do some blending. Have some fun with it. And it smells like chocolate. You can't go wrong. Once upon a time, I was like, oh, absolutely not, right? There it goes. But I started playing with colors, and I was like, oh, all right, I can get behind this. All right, next we have the gloss in Sandcastle Bling. So there's some bling in here. I'm excited about. It wants to come out the other way. Okay. So this has like a little bit of like a pink under there. This also smells like chocolate. Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that. That is definitely a pinky nude. All right, and then we mix that with that nude. Can you see that right there? So I put a splotch of each right here, and we're just going to kind of rub these together for a gorgeous kind of 90s glow. Next, we have a liquid star shadow, and this is in the color Wood Cream. All right, so this is a gorgeous chocolate. I mean, this is for the eyes, not for the lips. So I think that, oh, look at that. That is a very nice, and it blends out nicely. So a little bit will do you on this. Definitely don't need too much, but you could get a nice blend out on that if you just used a little bit. And it goes nicely with those lip shades too. Next, we have the Wyoming Winter Lip Oil. So everybody did get the lip oil. This is considered a skincare item. And we love lip oils. This is going to be clear. It's just, it looks like it's blue, but no scent to it, but it's clear. And you can't go wrong with a clear lip oil. Next, we have the Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the color Scorpio, which looks to be a purplish shade. Let's see when we open it up. All right, kind of has like a mauve-y look to it. All right, now again, does that look like it's going to be a good? Oh wow, this has so much color. Definitely I would do this on my hand and then put it on my lips because it's got so much color. I could definitely make that work. And then our last lip product is a lip arousal in the shade Fluffer. Yep. Yep, that's just the name of it. All right. Ooh. It smells like vanilla cupcake. All right, so it's a nice pink glossy shade. And again, you can kind of blend that out. We're going to blend it over this. All right, so put a little glob there. Give that a little bit of a shine and just a touch of pink. All right, guys. This I have wanted for so long. And now I'm afraid I'm going to get it all dirty because my hands. Right. I'm going to go wash these bad boys and I'll be right back. All right, so I mixed these three to get like a color like that. So you can definitely do some mixing. I would definitely probably mix them all with something a little bit more pinky. But you can definitely mix stuff and get some different shades. All right, now this bad boy. Ready? Y'all know I love color. So this is the Scorpio palette. It has a little glass. We're going to undo. And look at these colors. Oh my goodness. We're just going to get our hands in a few, like this purple and this bronze and this blue. And we'll do this matte down here. All right, just to show you, like, look at that payout. Oh. Am I happy with this bundle? I am beyond happy. Beyond. This was amazing for me. Maybe not for everybody, but it was an amazing one for me. I'm so happy I got this. So excited. Did I need it? No. Didn't. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. Well, that's kind of what I did, right? All right. Well, tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite product? What do you think about this palette? And please give me a like, a subscribe, and maybe hit that notification bell too. Again, it's totally free. It doesn't cost you anything at all, but it does help our channel grow. Engagement helps our channel grow. I have been trying to be on top of the comments. I do work 2 jobs and do this and have a kid and have my parents and then have my husband in my house. So I do try to keep on top of the comments, though lately I'm about a day or 2 behind, and that's it. So love chatting back and forth with you guys. Ask me a question, whatever you want, and I'll try to answer it. All right? So thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.